Hi traders, welcome to this video tutorial. Okay, basically in this tutorial I'm going to share with you a Forex trend system that I've been using and find pretty reliable. Okay, so but one thing to take note is that at any one time, right, you can actually click on the blue button on this video presentation, okay, to go to my blog, okay, and you can actually find out more about the other strategy that I'm using as well as indicators. Okay, and in this blog, right, basically you'll know you can actually read through the blog post, and there are actually other video tutorials for you guys. Okay, so at one time just click on this blue button here, you can actually go to my blog. Okay, so let's go through basically how this strategy works. Okay, the indicators required is basically a trend software. Okay, basically this trend software helps me to scan 37 currency pair at one go, which makes things easier for me because every day I need to do analysis on various currency pair and it really takes me a lot of time. And with this trend software, it helps me to scan 37 currency pair at one go and tell me which of them are trending. Okay, however, it's optional. Okay, for those of you who do not have this software, or for those of you who do not want to have this software, you can actually use the 50, 100, and 200 and 400 EMA. Plot this on the same chart. Okay, it helps you identify the trend. Okay, do note that this strategy works on all currency pair as well as all time frame. You can actually do it on a 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, hourly chart, 4-hourly chart, and it works. Okay, later on I'll share with you more about this trend software so that you can know whether you like it or not. Okay, and actually I did a review on this trend software on my blog. You can actually click on the blue button here to go to my blog to see the review for this trend software. Okay, next indicator that you need is PSAR, parabolic SAR, and this is mainly for you to identify entry points. Okay, so let me show you how this 50, 100, and 200, 400 EMA works. Okay, as you can see here, right, there's four lines here that you can see. It's actually the EMAs. This is the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 200 EMA, 400 EMA. Okay, so when we are scanning the trend, what we do is that when you see this four lines, when we're stacking one over the other with very good angle and separation, this indicates to us it is in a very good trend. In this case, it's a very good downtrend. Okay, when you see that, although they are stacked one after the other, but the gradient is pretty gentle, it's a weak trend. Okay, the worst is this type. When this EMA are clustered together, this is a no trend. Okay, when this thing happens, right, what we do is that we don't use this trend system. Okay, because it simply don't works. This trend system only works when you have a very strong trend like this one. Okay, and it works. So let me show you how I actually trade this trend system. Okay. Okay, but at the meantime, right, let me go through with you another way, which is the trend software. Let me show you how it works, the trend software. Okay, this is the trend software that I use. Okay, it actually helps me to scan all the currency pairs at one go. So what I do is I just click on this button here. You can tell me on the 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, hourly chart, 4-hourly chart, daily chart, weekly chart of this euro dollar, what is the trend like? As at one go you can see there's more red color than green color, and I know that it's actually in a strong downtrend. Okay, and I basically can help me to scan other currency pairs as well, which makes this indicator, this software, very useful. You see, you can actually choose one shot 37 currency pairs, and it actually helped me to do it. Okay, so however, for those of you who want to find out more about this, you can just visit my blog by clicking on the blue button there, and I will write a review on my blog so that you can just go through and see whether you like this indicator or not, this software or not. Okay, but for those of you who do not want this, we can just continue. Okay, with trade setup. Okay, and this basically this trend system works. How this trend system works is that the whole concept, right, is to ride the market trend. Okay, there's nothing more profitable than riding the market trend, because when you trade against the market, you have higher risk. If you trade in the directional market, you have more profits, low risk, and that's the whole concept of this system. Okay, this trend system. So step one, right, what we do is to identify the trend of market, which we have done using either the EMAs or the software. Number two, step two is wait for a price to retrace and hit the 100 EMA. This is a very important point. The price has to retrace and hit the 100 EMA, and then we'll enter a trade in direction of trend when the PSAR flips. Okay, do note that when trend is up, we'll wait for the parabolic SAR to flip below the candle to enter a buy trade. When the trend is down, we'll wait for a parabolic SAR to flip above the candle to enter a short trade. Okay, so let me go through an example to show you how this thing works. Okay, as you can see here, we are in a strong trend. So what we do is wait for the price to go back to hit the 100 EMA, which it actually hits here. You can see that. Okay, once it hits here, we wait for the price to open new candle, and this black color line here is where we enter a trade, a sell trade. Okay, as you can see, the price later on moved up. Okay, it moved up about 16 pips, but then it actually moved down all the way. Okay, let me show you how far it goes. It actually moved down all the ways to give me 179.5 or 180 pips profit. Okay, imagine you place a stop loss of 30 pips and take profit at 180 pips. This is the 1:6 risk reward ratio trading system. Okay, which means that with one win, you can afford 6 losing trades to break even. Okay, and trust me, using this system, you'll be profitable at the end of the month. As long as you stick to the plan, you'll definitely be profitable using this system. Okay, I hope that you guys like this Forex trend system that I share with you here. And for more other strategies and indicator tips, you can just visit my blog by clicking on the link below or the blue button on the video presentation. Okay, I'll talk to you in my other trading video tutorials. And for the time being, good luck to your trading.